You can save someone's life through your reporting, not necessarily because you go out in the streets to picket or to protest or to lobby for that matter, but because you move others to become aware of a problem and to take action.
We thought that we'd look at secure communities, since this is the new focus of the Obama administration, to focus on so-called criminal aliens. We figured we'd follow the money.
One of the people I've talked to that the government is trying to portray as a dangerous criminal alien is Kelly Maharaj. He's a young man who had been working for about 20 years as a legal resident in Brooklyn. One day, he got a citation for staying in a park after midnight. When he went to pay the citation, which wasn't even a misdemeanor offense, the immigration police were waiting for him there at court. They took him, put him in detention, and sent him down to South Texas. He never saw his 4-year-old daughter or his wife again. This is the guy that the government wants you to think is a dangerous criminal alien.
Some people could be trapped in a detention system, for many years.
These people think that they're U.S. citizens practically, raised in public schools. And one day, they're picked up off the street for a minor offense. They have no right to a lawyer. They're locked into a detention system and lost. If they try to fight their case, they're in there even longer. And the only way out is to agree to deportation.
There are no safeguards, there are no full oversight that we could have over, this program, and whether or not it's working or not, or if it's targeting the right people. If we have a broken system and it continues to be funded by taxpayers' money, then everyone should be concerned. Even if you don't know anything about the immigration system, you should know where your money is going and what it's doing.
A lot of these detention centers that people are being sent to from all around the country are run by private prison companies.
The longer you are in detention, the more money that's going into the pockets of the detention industry.
The thing about secure communities, the government wants to expand this program to be in every jail in the country by 2013, but it's already gone way off course. A lot of what the government does surrounding immigration takes place behind closed doors in detention centers and courts that people don't see what's going on. We want to put this information before the public.
And the power of the web is that we can share all these voices. We're not limited to one or two to focus on as we would in an article. But we can look at it and say, wow, we have 10 people who are arrested for being at a park late at night.
We can impact both the average person who's curious about this issue as well as policymakers, and that's really what has to happen in order for there to be a shift away from enforcement to true immigration reform.